Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see a very simple but a very useful thing on your Windows computer. Well, I'm using Windows 10 here. Is how to change the format of your date. Sometimes you feel like you have like DD, MM, YY. Well, DD means date or day, MM means month, and YY means the year. So sometimes you may feel that instead of that format, why can't I have like MMDD YY? People who are working in IT companies want to sync the format of date with US timing, or for whatever reasons they want to have that MMDD YY format. So how do they change this format in their Windows 10 computer or Windows 10 OS laptop? So it's very easy in Windows 10. I'll show you how. Well, as you can see in the rightmost bottommost corner of your window, you can see this thing called date format. So if you want to change this format, there are two ways. I'll show you how to go to that settings. First of all, you can just right click here. Yeah, right click, adjust date time. Once you do that, you have to go to here, this thing on the rightmost top corner, that is date time regional formatting, additional date time. Again, you have to go not in this window, and here you see this is the actual control panel window of date and time setting. Here you have to go to set time and date, and then like change date and time, change calendar settings, and here again you have to go to additional settings. And in additional settings there are numbers, currency, time and date. You have to go to the date, and here you can adjust. Well, this is the way. I'll show you how to do that next, but to this window there's another way to go. I'll just cancel all these things. I hope you remember. I'll show you once again. Right click, adjust date and time. Here, date time regional formatting, additional date time, all these things. Set date time, change date time, change calendar settings, and additional settings here, and you have to go to date here. So this is the way to reach to this window, and after that I'll show you how to do that. So one more way how to directly go by another method I'll show you. I'll just cancel all these things. Okay, so simply in this search bar in Windows 10 you can type like control panel. So once you type control panel, where we're like back to Windows 7 or Windows previous window version, where the control panel, in the control panel you can adjust many things. So here in the control panel you can go to clock and region, or directly you can go to change date and time, all these things. So I'll press our conventional clock and region. Here we go. You have the same window coming up here again. Set the date and time, uh, change date and time. Again, you follow the same things. Change calendar settings and additional settings. And here you go to date. So once you do that, I'll tell you how to change. Here, look, this is the common window we got in our previous method also by doing the right click here, and again in the control panel. This is the common window where you can in fact change the format of your date and like day, month and year. So for your kind information, I'll also open an Excel file. Well, here this is an Excel file. You can see it's in the format of like DDMMYN 19th February 2020. So here it's same, 11th August 2020. It is in the format DDMMYY. So once I change here the format, you can easily see. So I'll show you how this dates also change, or this format, sorry, not date, also change when I change here this format. So as you can see in this date format, it is written DD means day. If I put DD, it is the day, means your date 020319, etc. If I put DDD or DDD is the day of week, like Monday, MON, Sunday, SUN, and M means month, Y means year. So if I just change like for example MM dash, you have to follow the syntax here. You have to put dash here, MMDD dash. Okay, I'll put like YY. So once I do that, I'll press apply here, click apply. And once I do that, you can see how the things are changing. Like it's the month now, 08 is August, it is 11, it is 2020 in the rightmost corner, today's date. And here you can see the Excel. 02 means month, February 19, 2020. So here, let's play again. Let's do something else. I'll just delete these two things again, apply. So once I put 2YY here, you can see how suddenly from 2020 it changes to 20 only, which also means 2020 here in Excel as well. From 4-digit year, it has changed to 20 or 2-digit year. So this is how you change the format of your date, month, and year. So if you're comfortable with something else, I'll just try something else. I'll come back to my comfortable format, that is DDMMYY, that we follow in our country, India, which I have grown up using that format. So I'll come back to this DD-MM-YYYY. So once I apply, so again, you see 11th August 11/08/2020, here also in the Excel 19/02/2020, 19/02/2602. So you saw how the dates change in the system clock as well as in the Excel simultaneously when you change the format in this window. So friends, if you happen to face any problem in Excel, as well as if you want to change the date format in your own PC or laptop, please use this method in Windows 10. In Windows 10, this is very easy. Follow the process, follow the steps that I had shown you just a while ago to reach to this window and easily change the date format. So friends, that's it in this video. Hope this was very useful. If you found this video useful, please do like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little small videos which will make your digital life happier and simpler. So friends, till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. Thank you.